Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a fresher and curious about DevOps, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will break down what DevOps is and give you some real-time examples to help you understand how it works in the industry. If you are wondering how DevOps fits into the tech world, stick around. Let's dive in. So let's start with the basics. What is DevOps? At its core, DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development and IT operations to help organizations deliver applications faster with more efficiency and at a higher quality. The goal is to reduce the time it takes to get code from development to production. DevOps emphasizes collaboration and automation. It removes the barriers between developers who write the code and operations team who deploy and maintain it. It enables faster and more reliable delivery of software. In simpler terms, DevOps makes everything work together: coding, testing, deployment, and monitoring, so that companies can release software in a streamlined, efficient way. Now let's take a look at a real-time example to see how DevOps plays out in the real world. Imagine you are working for a popular e-commerce company like Amazon. On Black Friday, the site needs to handle millions of visitors buying items at the same time. Here's how DevOps works in this scenario. First, developing new features. Developers are working on new features like a flash sale timer. The code is written, tested, and tracked using a version control system like Git. Second, continuous integration, that is CI. Once developers commit their changes, the code is automatically tested. This process is known as continuous integration. Tools like Jenkins or GitLab run tests on the new code to make sure everything works smoothly without breaking anything. Third, continuous delivery, that is CD. After testing, the code is automatically deployed to staging environments and eventually to the production environment. No human intervention is needed, which reduces the chances of errors and speed up deployment. Fourth, monitoring and feedback. Once the feature is live, the system is constantly monitored. If anything goes wrong, like a server going down during peak traffic, the DevOps tool alerts the team immediately, so they can fix it before it impacts user. Without DevOps practices, the process of launching a new feature would be much slower and prone to errors, especially during the critical times like sales or product launches. So why DevOps is so important and why is it growing rapidly? Companies need to deliver software quickly and reliably. DevOps helps them to do that. With DevOps, businesses can release software updates faster, ensure the system runs smoothly, and reduces downtime. For example, Netflix uses DevOps practices to ensure that their streaming platform can handle millions of users at once. They have automated systems in place to deploy new features without affecting the experience of millions of viewers. Netflix engineering team uses a continuous delivery pipeline that helps them release code multiple times a day, so new features or fixes are always available without any disruption. Key DevOps tools. Now let's quickly look at some of the key tools that makes DevOps possible. Git. For version control, it helps teams track changes to the code base. Jenkins. For automating tasks like building and testing code. Docker. For creating and managing containers, which allows applications to run consistently across different environments. AWS. For cloud infrastructure, scaling applications as needed. Kubernetes. For container orchestration, ensuring that containers are deployed and managed efficiently across servers. These tools, along with others, help DevOps professionals automate workflow, test code, deploy applications, and monitor performance, all while ensuring reliability and scalability. So there you have it. That's an overview of what DevOps is and how it works in the real world. DevOps plays a huge role in making sure that software is delivered faster and more efficiently, with fewer errors. In the next video, we'll talk about how freshers like you can get started in a DevOps career and the steps you need to take. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on part 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.